What? I need lippies. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Where have you been? Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell while you're at it. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm just gonna be doing a makeup review today, and this makeup review is for the Luxury Foundation Burberry. I got it in the color Camel number 42. Their Fresh Glow Foundation. And as you guys can see, I already have it on. So yeah guys, I already have it on. This is the makeup look of today. Just simple with the wing eyeliner. If you're interested on learning more about this luxury foundation, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so right now I have no makeup on. Your girl is clean. And I have my beauty blender ready. Just this basic one. So let's get to it. Ooh, so. Ooh. Okay, so this is glass. And I can already tell there's like a little bit of white in the foundation. I like it. I like the casing and everything. It's really real classy. I like it. I like it. It's a luminous fluid foundation, and it has SPF in it. It has SPF 15 in it, which is good. I love products with a little SPF in it. $40, and it's gonna make me look gorgeous. Okay, it's gonna make me look. This better make me look amazing for some $40. Okay. It told me to shake well before I apply it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Shaky, shaky. My hair is like in the middle of drying right now, so don't mind that. I'm closer to try this foundation. Up close and personal again. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, let me know in the comments below. And I'll do a full-on makeup tutorial, all the details, all the things you'll want to know. But right now I'm just going to do a review. So I'm just going to speed up probably the process of me putting on my makeup. So that's the inside of the case.
I don't know.
Oh my god, here is ding ding. Right, it has a little pump. So easy applicator. So I'm just gonna put it on my wrist. Okay, it's really difficult to press down. So I hope it doesn't squirt everywhere. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. This is scaring me. Oh my gosh. This is actually scaring me. Ah! What? Okay. I hope this is not broken. So the pump actually does not work. I'm just gonna go ahead and untwist it and do it that way. Oh, it's liquidy. So, oh gosh, okay. Very liquidy. I'm getting messy already. Put it on my beauty blender and just go ahead and start. I'm gonna be looking off screen. My little mirror. Okay, so first impression, like, I think this is my color. Okay, props to me. I'm just gonna be blending it all over my face. That's the one thing I hate about beauty blenders, like it's already all gone. Like it just absorbed it all up. So I'm gonna put some more on my hand. Ooh, it didn't say what kind of coverage this was on the case, but I'm gonna see what the first layer looks like. So guys, this is the first layer. I don't think it's too bad actually. Ooh, but it's very liquidy. Like it was running away. Okay, so right when I opened the bottle, it was dripping like crazy. What do you guys think? Would you say that's medium coverage or full coverage? First layer looks really nice. Let me put on a second layer. I definitely think it's not. Oh! I definitely think it's not full coverage. So. I feel like you need to put a lot of product. If you're using a beauty blender, you need to use a lot of product, but it could just be my beauty blender. It just absorbs it so fast. I did 2 layers. I think it's a medium. It's definitely buildable. Like I definitely feel like I could add more layers, but not too many. Probably like 1 or 2 more layers. But other than that, guys, I like it. I'm gonna see how it looks like with the rest of my makeup, y'all, and I'll let you guys know how this product looks. Okay. I'm making the ugliest faces. Okay, I always say that. Great, just great. This just spilled everywhere, and this is a mini powder. Dang it, Urban Decay, or what is this? Kat Von D. I'm gonna deal with that later, okay? Deal with that later. It's very luminous, I could say that. It's definitely making me glow. Gosh, I need to blend. Don't worry, y'all. Don't mind that. I need to blend because that look crazy. Sorry, my camera makes me look like a ghosty again. I'm trying to figure this out, okay? I'm just trying to figure this out.
Get the
On some real stuff, I do want to go into acting.
Okay, that one.
I get cocky when he laughs at my jokes and I just keep going. So far, it looks really nice with my makeup. Can't even complain, y'all. It looks good. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes now. Actually, no, I'm gonna do my highlighter. My skeet highlighter. Because it's broke. I should have got more products by Burberry to test it out, like maybe do like a full face of Burberry makeup. I feel like my look never comes together unless I have my highlighter on. Yes, no, am I the only one? Let me know in the comments below. Like, you cannot go out without your highlighter. Like, a highlighter just brings it all together. Casing and everything, I really like it. The presentation is gorgeous, very professional, very sleek. I rate this product 8 out of 10 just because I was expecting a lot more from Burberry because this foundation was expensive, okay? So I was expecting more. Do I see myself wearing this again? Yeah, probably, but I won't replace my foundation I have right now. I noticed that it brought me a beautiful luminous glow, very shimmery, very cute at the end. I like that for that reason. So that's why this product, I give it an 8 out of 10. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content from me. And I'll see you guys later.